All right. Hi, programming bootcamp students. This video simply describes your final project and what we suggest that you do for the final project. Of course, it's not for credit, so there isn't a very tight specification. But for you to maximize the experience, what we thought is that you do some end-to-end project, and in this case, a chess game is perhaps a sensible idea. So first of all, if you somehow don't know chess, no big deal. Just look it up, look at the rules, maybe play a game or two. When I mean no chess, I mean the rules of chess. I, for example, know the rules of chess, but I certainly don't know how to play chess in strategically. And we're not going to deal with that whole strategic aspect unless you really have a lot of time and you can kind of try to do something algorithmic. I think it's more going to be a case where you create a game of chess, a two-player game where the game asks player one, what's your move, player two, what's your move, player one, what's your move, player two, what's your move, until there is a checkmate. Okay. Now, when you do this thing, one thing you can do is you can work sort of like the tic-tac-toe example that we provided to you, only chess is more complicated. The board state is more complicated. There are more pieces, etc. And pieces also move. So the pieces leave a point and then go to a point. In tic-tac-toe, you only add pieces. I suggest that you have incremental self-victories in creating this. And I don't mean victories in chess, but actually victories in getting the thing to work. So first of all, just having a board state and printing it, and then getting through a sequence of inputs, users' moves, and getting the positions to move to a different place without checking if the move is legal or not. Okay. Once you have some sort of game where you can actually move the pieces according to input, you could start to put all kinds of logic which says, hey, what are the allowed moves? Yes or no. But importantly, you also want to check for a checkmate, right? A checkmate means that the king is threatened and the king has no option to move. I would suggest ignoring all kinds of edge cases such as castling and going for a stalemate if 30 moves were the same were repeated. There are many kind of side rules in chess, but basically getting the main game going. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this project. At the end, if you put it up on GitHub and it sort of works and to some level, and you send us a link, we'll put the link on the webpage. And hopefully this will be one of your first major programming experiences. Good luck with your chess game creation. And it's good to work with good partners and collaboratively as well. At the end of the day, you're here for a pure learning experience. Enjoy. Bye.